Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to open private browsing section in Google Chrome browser. So just very easy and simple steps you have to follow. Click on this three dot and here click on new incognito window, and also guys you can open this private browsing pressing by Control plus Shift plus N. So press together Shift Control Shift N. So you will see this black window. You go on incognito. Now you can browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. However, downloads, bookmarks and reading list items will be saved. So, and guys, you can compare these both option. Chrome won't save the following information: your browsing history, cookies and site data, information entered in forms, and your activity might still be visible to websites you visit, your employer or school, your internet service provider. So this is the way guys you can open private browsing section in Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.